Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
Nothing yet.
Mushrooms, actually.
Nothing?
My delivery order. I think the guy went home. It's
What?
been 2 hours.
With your food.
2 hours?
It's been 2 hours. It said in 10 minutes 2 hours ago, and I think he's parked at his house.
And
My
what did
internet
you
died.
order?
I
Bob.
ordered a sandwich, a banh mi.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
do you want my story about sandwich?
Oh, this is a good story.
He has a
I
good-
know this story. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a question.
Trigger
Imagine,
warning. It's disgusting.
imagine you go to a party. It's like a birthday party to your best friend. Like it's someone you like.
Okay.
And you hesitate. You want to offer him something. The first choice is a sandwich with tomato, lettuce, beef, everything you want. And the other one is a sandwich full of shit. Like full of shit.
Okay.
Literal shit.
What do you
Obvious-
prefer?
The sandwich with no shit in it. Thank you.
Are you serious right now?
Exactly.
What do you mean?
I was just asking if you were serious.
Oh, I'm so serious.
Okay.
Please.
And now, the problem of this story is like
Okay.
someone in the island. I don't know if you know him. His
Is
name is.
giving shit sandwiches.
Yeah, he's giving shit sandwiches, whereas he has sandwich with lettuce and tomato to people, and that's why Mouse had a shit sword given by Foolish.
Oh, Foolish is giving the shit sandwich.
No, I'm not.
Exactly.
He didn't give like a wooden sword or something, but Etoile is very
He said it's
exigeant.
shit, you know. He said this sword is shit.
Well, this is not new. He's greedy.
What the
It's
fuck?
true. It's true.
Wow. Okay.
Did you hear actually about the law of the island? Did you hear
not
about
all
it?
of it.
Or?
Not all of it. We're still learning.
Yeah. Every
Like,
day I learn something new.
Oh yeah.
And today it's the shit sandwich. Let's go.
Shit sandwich lore.
I hope you learn more than the shit sandwich.
Oh,
Let's go.
that'd be nice. Oh,
now-
Sponge,
He's gonna
that's what's
save you.
happening. I got distracted. I
Tina,
forgot.
sit, rest, please. You need to
Oh.
rest. Your condition.
My condition.
Don't
It's on.
worry, we're gonna fix you up. This is the nurse's
Chronically
station.
What?
rainbow.
Quoi?
She has chronic
Papa m'a
rainbowitis.
Oh, j'ai fait quoi?
Yeah.
Fais fort, mec.
Wait, I'm looking.
She has ligma.
I'm looking.
Save her,
What?
please.
Wait, put on my professional
The
medical
fuck, man?
outfit.
Hurry, she doesn't
just
have much time.
I have enough time. Don't worry. Surprisingly, I've done
no.
a couple.
Take the
This may
picture.
sound strange, but I have done a couple ass surgeries and pregnancy tests.
Did you wash
He
your
actually
hands?
did.
Yeah.
Like Dr. Miami?
I don't know who that is.
Dr. Miami.
Oh my god. I have a chronic illness. I don't need a BBL. Hello?
So, I just need you to close your eyes and take a deep breath.
Wait, but did you wash your
Close your eyes.
hands?
Close your
There's, I don't
close
like
your
to
eyes.
waste water.
It's gonna be okay.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Close your
Okay.
eyes.
Okay.
It's gonna be
And
okay.
here we go.
Wait,
here
what?
We go. It's just gonna be
gonna
a
be
quick
okay.
pinch. It's just gonna be a slight pinch. Okay.
Hurry, doctor,
Okay.
hurry!
Okay.
Why are you screaming?
It's done!
Oh, the operation was a success!
Oh my god.
You've been cured!
I'm alive.
She's alive!
Please.
Can you do it, Foolish, but in real life for me? I would like to
Why
be cured.
was my doctor screaming?
Do you want me to impression you?
Oh god.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh damn!
Oh
It-
wow,
it-
that's really
It was
damn.
another impression of you. I had an order and I didn't receive the order.
why am I an NPC?
I did not receive the order.
I sound like an AI generated bot. Maybe I'll develop more personality later. It'll take me a while though.
No.
like my last ditch resort.
Pomme, tu te fais chier, t'es sur TikTok? Tu scrolls?
Are you TikToking, Pomme?
Are you scrolling your phone, Pomme? Are you chilling? Pomme, it's...
What is a phone?
Okay.
Are you kidding me, Pomme?
Oh,
But Pomme,
my
I don't
food has finally arrived.
Let's go 2 hours!
Goodbye.
See you later.
Shit!
Huh? What happened?
Until Ray disappears.
Oh, this is the French anthem.
Yeah. You know, I was supposed
It's
to
La
be all
Marseillaise.
super ready and stuff hours ago, but then like I kept waiting because it said 10 minutes. And then 2 hours went by and I was like, oh, that's
shit.
really awkward. So now my day feels a little bit long.
I understand.
But I'll see you maybe if you're on later tonight.
Yeah, I'll try to be on.
Yeah. Good
Nice, Pomme.
buddy.
Let's go, adventure!
Okay, adventure. Yes, Mouse is gonna
J'ai
just
joué
start killing us.
I will kill you!
Ok, Est-ce que tu peux prendre Pomme au début et après je prends.
Go to spawn.
Ah bah oui, mais de toute façon, oui, parce que... Ok, est-ce que tu peux prendre Pomme au début et après
Ah, bah, je peux la garder toute la soirée si tu veux, hein. C'est aucun
Ah
problème.
oui, de toute façon, oui, parce qu'elle t'aide à build vu que
Oh,
tu
wait, you don't have a-
l'exploites.
Comment ça? T'allais dire que tu l'emploies et... Ouais, ne l'écoute pas. Everybody left.
Okay. Yeah, no, the purple thing's really nice. Okay, and then I'm going to travel somewhere far, and then I'll place down a red stone, and then I'll name it, like, Mouse or something.
Okay.
Okay, I'm setting off.
Let's go! Mouse is dumb! Ah! I don't know, what the...
I don't know. Sometimes like when you auto-generate names, it just does that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So if we just go this way.
Are you going to do dungeons? Good time.
Run! Ah! Ah! What is that? Carrots! And potato. Burn it all to the ground! Ah! 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 On the head! I'll kill it, Wellington. Ow! Ah!
Et putain, mais ils sont tous en train de mourir.
Oh my god, I've lost almost everything. Turtle! Ah! 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 What are these things? Ah! This is terrible! I love going to dungeons and killing stuff and exploring. It's my favorite thing to do. I like it more than building.